What's up, my royal flush? It is I, Jet Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I'm back for another video. And today's video is going to be a video of me trying some new Morphe products that I've never tried before because I haven't ordered from Morphe in so long. So I have the BRETMAN Rock palettes. Highlighter palette. I have some samples of the eyeshadow primer they just came out with. It's like only $10. And I also have some of their sponges that I want to try as well. So if that's something you guys want to get into, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you will not be disappointed in my future uploads, and also hit that bell notification button as well right after that, and give this video a big thumbs up because it is greatly appreciated. And with that, let's just get into this video. I don't know what's wrong with me. I did my brows off camera as usual, and I'm going to just go in. So the first thing I'm about to use is the eyeshadow primer. So they gave me a sample, which was very nice of them. So the kind of look that I'm about to actually try to pull off today, keywords, is this look by Sunset Look by Glamorous J on Instagram. You guys can go follow him. Like he does amazing eye looks. If y'all like, y'all are into like makeup and stuff like that, go ahead and hit, go follow him for me. And this is the look that I'm going for right here. Y'all can't really see that, but it's there. It's something like that. So it's like a little sunset vibe kind of look. So that's what I'm about to actually try to do. The first thing, what I'm about to actually be using today is the Morphe 35B palette right here, which I'm not really a big fan of, but I'm gonna try to just use this today to see if I like it right now. So I'm actually going to be doing a cut crease instead. So I'm just peeling it off to get some of the product. Y'all, this is a little bit of fucking product they gave me, okay? I'm about to just put it all over my lid. I'm gonna try to take my Morphe sponge and I'm about to try to blend this out. Maybe that'll help it. Yep, it's working, okay. So what I'm about to do is I'm going to complete the rest of the look off camera, and I'm going to come back to finish the rest of the video. Okay, y'all, so I just got done with my base, and for highlights I'm going to go in with the Morphe X BRETMAN Rock palette. It came in a unicorn, similar to the packaging. In the back has BRETMAN's picture on it, and it says on here, and it comes with 6 beautiful highlights right here, and it says on here, mahalo for supporting your fave babe in paradise. Growing up on the islands gave me a diverse perspective on life that I want to share with you. I hope this palette captures the essence of paradise beauty. Bye, bitch. BRETMAN Rock. I got it last night, but the brush was like bent. Like it was like bent worse than like what people were saying it was. I recreated this sunset eye look from Glamorous J on Instagram. Once again, go follow him. Y'all should definitely go follow him. And I'm about to probably go in with, for my nose highlight, I have Vacation on my nose and on my brow bone as well. And on my brow bone, I have Mahu, I don't know what the fuck that means. Or what that says. So I'm probably going to go in with Get Laid right here, and Mahu and Vacation. Should I swatch it for y'all real quick? I'm gonna just swatch it for y'all real quick. So these are these. So this is Vacation. No, this is Baby Girl. and that is very pretty. And this is Vacation. Okay, and this is Mahu. Those are those three swatches right there. So this is Get Laid right here. That's Get Laid. This is Chihu. And this is Shady Bitch, which is very, very pretty. So these are these swatch, and I'm about to just apply these. So Chihu is like pinky as well, so. I haven't used a fan brush to highlight in so long. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I don't. Where's my sponge at? Okay, let me try this side and apply it better this time. Okay. Okay, so now I'm about to just apply it to my forehead as well. The way I applied it on this side, I used it like this, which I shouldn't have. I should have did it like that, because when it came out on this side, it came out really pretty on this side because I used it like that. And I used it like this, so it kind of went everywhere on this side, so yeah. So I'm about to dust off my powder, and this is before I even set my face as well too. So I'm about to just dust off my powder, and I'm about to just finish the rest of my face. Okay y'all, so I'm back, and this is how my face is looking. It is maybe like 1 hour since I completed this look with everything from Morphe. As y'all know, everything y'all got. The sponge was good. I mean, it was a sponge. It worked really good. Oh shoot, let me fix my hair, y'all, before I start. So I kind of threw away my old sponges, which is my Real Technique sponge, and also my Makeup Shack sponge, because I bought 2 Morphe sponges, and the eyeshadow primer is actually really good. When I applied my eyeshadow, I did it without setting my eyeshadow primer, so like the colors really showed up really well as well. It's pretty good as well. Like I might actually buy the actual primer, like, because thank you so much to Morphe for sending me the sample, because I actually might buy the actual primer, and it's only $10, so y'all can't beat it. And then the sponges are $7. I would recommend getting the highlight and contour sponge. That's what they call this, which is a flat round sponge, and it's gonna come in something a little like this, and it's really cute, and y'all should definitely pick these up as well. Yeah, so with the Morphe BRETMAN Rock highlighting palette, it's actually really good. I actually used a shade on my lid to set my cut crease, and I used it on my nose for my nose highlight, and my brow bone highlight, and also my regular highlight, as y'all can see. It's pretty good. It blended into my skin really. I didn't need to spray my actual brush, for it. And the brush is actually really good as well. It reminds you of like palm trees, like BRETMAN said, and it's a really high quality brush. It just came bent, but it's a real hair brush, so of course it's gonna retain a different shape if it's like, you know, shipped out and stuff like that. So I had to wash it, and then it was back to normal pretty much. And yeah, so I pretty much loved all these products, and also these other items as well. Next, I'm probably going to buy the actual full-size eyeshadow primer, and also the setting spray. I'm going to do a separate video for the setting spray. I'm about to order that soon because I really want to try that. And I just set my whole face with the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray, which is it's looking pretty good. It's been on for like a couple hours, maybe like an hour and a half, a couple of hours. But yeah guys, I really liked these products. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that. And the reason why I'm still got this tank top on and stuff is because I'm at home. It's my off day. I'm chilling. I don't really want to change. I'm not going anywhere. I just wanted to film this video for you guys. But yeah, if you guys are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also that bell notification button as well. And I will see you guys in my next video.